nicely, and it will go really nice consistency for you. And at this nails, I apply whole entire nails because I'm going to using Diamond Dust Pixie. And make sure you put the caps on your condensed glue gels. And next gonna be a no wipe top coat. Apply them floating on the top. This is a great way to do adhesion crystal because by the time you apply Diamond Dust Pixie, it will completely seal, and then after you're done, you don't have to worry about going in between because you can't put the top coat on between of that Diamond Dust Pixie. It's gonna make your Diamond Dust Pixie is like cloudy because you cover all of the sparkle and the cut and the shinies of the nails of the crystal. So I like that. Maybe that one. Very cool. And play that one. Great. And I put few of them. Even you leave it alone like this, it looks cute. So now I'm gonna get the tray to put my Diamond Dust Pixie. No, I need a different tray because that's the one I mixed already. What colors do you want to see? This one? The darker one? I like the lighter one. There's a box. I like the one is look good. A 7-1 and 7-2. 7-1 is looks closer. I have the other colors, the purple too. I'm gonna tilt it that way. Usually with the clients, it's easier when you place them on. But if you're doing your press-on glue-on nails, I would suggest you doing it like this. So it wants like all your Diamond Dust Pixie is not bouncing like. Oh, looks really good. And whatever I've been mixing, I can always using twin tip brush and pick up some of them. Looks really stunning, everyone. Can you wipe this off? Right there, and I'll need the twin tip brush on the side. I'm closing this quick.
So, Keisha Thomas, what happened to you? Cause like, does everybody can see just fine?
You can't see? Can you get out, like out off from that apps and then come back in?
Yeah,
And
probably
then
like just close the apps and go right back in.
can you like close the app and then come right back in? And then close all the window you have, maybe? Sometimes it's still running in the back of your, like on your maybe screen. Great. So I'm really happy with this. Does everybody like it? Here, this one for 60 seconds.
Okay, she can see it now.
Oh, you can see it now. Good. Okay. Okay, good.
That's so cute.
60 seconds. And then we'll put
ice cream or something.
and then you can put this one back in and use it in the futures. I love them all. This, like, you will never go wrong with this. So easy. At first, I didn't care for it much. It's so hard to do, but then it's the more I'm doing it with the Diamond Dust Pixie, the more I'm seeing the beautiful. And like, we have a lot of clients who request for that Diamond Dust Pixie, and they don't mind to pay extra to get that because it will give you totally a different effects on the nails. So let me clean this one quick. We haven't got the nails up on top. It's so cute. He just give us, that's all he gave us. He said, okay, ladies, you got 4 nails on here, so then you only need like tiny little box. I don't know if they're gonna fit all 10 nails in here. 10 little tips in here. Here you go. And I'm gonna using a precision glue. I'm sorry, somehow I didn't get that. Something underneath.
Oh, there you go. That's right.
Some little, well, something underneath. I just found out with doing it. What do you call that? The bags of?
This silicone gel. Keep everything dry.
Okay, so now a bestie here is the keys, because you don't want that the press on or the glue on, even on the client's nail when you're back to the salon. They're gonna catching on the client's hair and the nails, so this will save you so much times and trouble. You know what? This is, why is that missing? Because he touching on it.
What?
You did it. He did this, and you did this. See how it's in trouble? You're messing our nails up, ladies. Look, don't touch our nails. You're gonna mess it up.
Well, you know what? Maybe the bitches like me better, so they just come with me and leave your nail behind.
No. Okay. I just want to make sure I get this between the gaps and the cracks right here. And I think it's good. All right, keep it for 60 seconds. Oh, he didn't miss completely. I don't like it. No touchy. Okay, no touchy. This is first lady said no touchy. Thank you, Maya. Foxy, Janae. See, he's touching it, it's missing. And then first. And then we have a big box, okay? And get that big box. VIP box. And look, he gave us, whatever you can call this one. Maybe dessert box. Okay. He did that tiny one. Is that okay? You have 4 now. We only just using this. That's it.
Like diamond ring. Big things in a small package now.
Oh, did you hear that? He's saying, oh, like a diamond rings. Big thing come from a small package. Okay. Hi, mamas. Patrice box. We did the 3rd nails done, everyone. It's beautiful. So he messed it up, so he gotta wear this set, because no one's gonna get this set messed up.
If you can match it to my finger.
Oh yeah, don't worry, baby. We have 20 nails. You're gonna fit in one of them. you can't get away from it. Your nails gonna fit one of your fingers. At least 10 of them won't fit in my 20 nails, so you can't get away with it. So I got you. You love it? This is the purple for you, Sarah. Next one. So what we're doing, we're gonna do, I have so many choices in front of me, so I'm gonna let you make a decision, okay? Dragon scale. And if not dragon scale, and crystal, then we can do encapsulating glitter with shiny sky.
That would be cute.
That will be cute. But look, then I don't have any crystal on the nails today. You see that?
You have some good stuff.
I just have a diamond dust pixie and some crystal. I don't have anything else.
The first nail too.
That's not enough. So now your lady makes a decision. Dragon scale. Okay, dragon scale. And we can do something like this tomorrow. Like, or if you ask a class, do you want to design all 10 nails? You can do all 10 nails. This is how we did it. 4 nails. Like 4 nails, which is make it 8 nails for class, which is like each of one hands will have 4 nails except her thumb. But she said, oh, might as well, Nancy, just do my thumb too. Then okay, then you can do that. Okay, so great. You can do that. So now with dragon scales, I have 2 coats of the purples in here. I don't know, is it purple lilac or